Welcome back. This video is not financial advice, and always do your own research. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a new blockchain called Zero Knowledge Proof. Many of you guys are familiar with ZK technology, and that's what this blockchain is all about. Now, they do have their very own native token, which is the ZKP token, and right now they're doing something very interesting. Instead of a traditional pre-sale, they're doing a pre-sale auction. Every day, they are auctioning off up to 200 million of their ZKP tokens, and this is all going on right now. Although this project isn't a household name yet, they have become an official blockchain partner of the NRL team, the Dolphins. Now, NRL is the National Rugby League, very similar to NFL, the National Football League. A few months ago, November of last year, the Dolphins themselves came out with a press release talking all about this official partnership. Really cool move to see from a newer blockchain already getting involved in sports sponsorships, and the word is that more are incoming. On the pre-sale side of things, so far ZKP has raised over $1.7 million USD on their road to the full launch. The testnet is live now for you to go ahead and check out, whether that be swaps, pools, checking out the Explorer, or even the faucet. Additionally, the ZKP blockchain is EVM compatible, so there is the potential for all of your favorite EVM dApps to come on board. Now, throughout this video, we're going to be doing a deep dive into this project and everything going on behind the scenes. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's going on. All right, so first things first, here we are checking out their website. As you can see, stage 2 is now live. Daily supply of 190 million of the ZKP tokens. They also have the pre-sale auction live as well. So far, according to their website, $1.72 million raised thus far. You can see yesterday's price at 0.0006 per token and expected launch price at 0.00136. For those of you that are not familiar with ZK technology, I'll go ahead and read through this. What is Zero Knowledge Proof? This is a new era of truth without exposure. ZK Knowledge Proof, or ZKP, is a layer 1 blockchain that has launched its crypto pre-sale auction. The network is designed for privacy protecting AI infrastructure. It runs on something they're calling proof pods, so essentially real mining hardware that secures the system by doing the computing work. The Zero Knowledge Proof pre-sale is now live and will give a transparent and secure entry into securing ZKP token. So that is the token ticker for the native token within this blockchain. They have a few main focuses here: privacy, verifiability, and decentralization. Recently, ZKP did announce a partnership with the Dolphins. You can see more about this partnership here. As it states here, the global partnerships are going to be focused on different names across sport, motocross, and culture to amplify awareness and foster adoption. For those of you that aren't rugby fans, Dolphins are a team within the NRL, and they do have an article here on their website announcing that blockchain partnership. Zero Knowledge Proof ZKP announced as Dolphins' official blockchain partner. So for any of you guys that would like to go ahead and read this article, I will go ahead and leave it down in the description box below. Next up here, we have some thoughts from ETH co-founder Vitalik Buterin talking about Zero Knowledge Proof technology.
Another really interesting set of examples is Zero Knowledge Proof technology. So what Zero Knowledge Proofs do is they let you prove information about yourself without revealing anything else about who you are.
ZKP's daily auction is totally different. One curve, one day, one set of rules for everyone, and you bid between $50 and $50,000, and your final price is determined by demand.
Now, for those of you that are interested in this project, I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and read their manifesto. There is a summary here that I'll go ahead and read for you guys. This is bigger than a blockchain. It's a protest and code. No insiders, no syndicates, no secret allocations, just math, time, and equal access. Fairness isn't promised here, it's programmed. One public crypto pre-sale auction, open to all, rigged for none. The auction is the proof, and the proof is the protest. Math doesn't bend, code doesn't beg. This isn't hype, it's history. This is the crypto presale of 2026, and it only is happening once. Next up, you can go ahead and check out a few different testimonials from different people who have gotten involved here with ZKP. So we have James and a few others: Akeem, Johan, Ibrahim, Tom, Chad, and a few others. So go ahead and check some of these out if you want to hear what your peers think about this blockchain. And then for any of you guys who do have pre-existing communities, you can go ahead and get involved here with ZKP and earn exclusive rewards. Early stage communities here with ZKP can go ahead and get a seed badge, and there's a growing badge for communities that are showing traction and momentum. And finally, there's a core badge, and these are for large established ecosystems driving a measurable value. And these are on-chain access badges that are going to unlock exclusive perks, visibility, and future rewards within the ecosystem. Along with the manifesto I mentioned moments ago, you also can go ahead and download their white paper to go ahead and read through the fine-tuned details of this blockchain. Another aspect of this ecosystem that is already live now is the proof pods, and you can go ahead and own these now before the rest of the world. If you do become an owner of one of these proof pods, you are going to even be able to earn rewards during this pre-sale stage. So plug in, power up, and connect your proof pod to the ecosystem. Your pod will run real compute tasks for the ecosystem. It will create verifiable proofs without revealing data. And finally, you'll get rewarded for strengthening privacy and powering the ecosystem with ZKP coins. Price of these pods right now is 249 USD, and you get live stat previews. So you can go ahead and see a 3D model here. With this pod, you are going to get updated information. You can see a compute level here, and there are a few other interesting aspects to this. Besides the live stat preview, you also are going to have 300 different upgrade levels that will be available. It will auto update over Wi-Fi. It's upgradable for more earnings with those different upgrade levels, and the mining is based on the demand and yesterday's coin price. So now moving our attention back to the pre-sale auction, which is quite interesting in this space. ZKP's pre-sale is fair and transparent. So every day up to 200 million ZKP coins are made available with a daily allocation reducing over time, and any unused supply will be burned forever. The auction of this crypto pre-sale is driven by real participation, with the price adjusting dynamically based on how many people join that day. Everything is happening on chain. This is public and visible to everyone. Transparency isn't promised here, it's the protocol. So in total, up to 200 million coins per day, 24-hour rolling auction, and participation determines the price. So for any of you guys who are interested in learning more, you can go ahead and click how it works. Or if you're someone who would like to join in on the auction, you can go ahead and click join auction and get started right away. Also, if you look up here, there's a bunch of different aspects to this project that you can go ahead and check out. They have the testnet available for you to look up, community, research, data, marketplace, the base layer, their sponsors, and their about section. Lastly, the overall bullet points of this project are listed here. So the pods ship immediately for any of you guys that do purchase the pods. Daily auction pricing, transparent and fair, as we talked about before. Official partners from day one, as we saw from the NRL team, the Dolphins. Proof of intelligence and proof of space. This is a hybrid blockchain concept. This blockchain does run EVM, so all EVM compatible dApps are going to be able to seamlessly come on chain. Additionally, the smart contracts are WASM built for devs, and there is a built-in marketplace driving real coin utility and real data exchange. So lots of exciting stuff going on here with ZKP, and I am interested to hear what your thoughts are. So go ahead and leave a comment down below. With this project, if you check here at the bottom of their website, they have a few other YouTube videos that you can go ahead and check out. They also have their Telegram community where you can go ahead and hop in and start chatting right away. Lastly, at the very bottom, you can also find their Discord, Telegram, Instagram, and X, formerly Twitter. Here on their X, currently sitting at just over 13,000 followers. We can see their pin posts from January 7th. The ultimate ZKP giveaway is now live. 5 million USD giveaway in ZKP coins. This whole giveaway is designed to reward people for engaging with the network within this founding phase. So there's 10 winners overall, 500,000 USD worth of ZKP each. So pretty exciting stuff here. No VCs, no whales. This is all a community-driven type project. I would highly recommend you guys to go ahead and follow them over here on X so you can stay up to date on all the latest conversations regarding ZKP. Now, one thing we haven't talked about as of yet is the dashboard for any of you guys who want to contribute. So when you go to their website and click buy coins or buy, you will see this dashboard here. Here we have the auction page. All you have to do is connect your wallet. You can go ahead and see all of your different devices, ZKB balance, and today's purchase, as well as check out today's live auction. You can go ahead and connect your wallet and buy with a few different coins, ETH, USDT, and BNB across a few different blockchains. As we can see here, we have ETH, BNB, USDT on TRC20. We have BTC, Sol, ADA, USDC on Base, XRP, and Doge. So lots of different options for you to check out. You can also check out the pre-sale auction chart, essentially all the different price movement across the last month and beyond. You also have the proof pods page. If you want to activate your pod or order your very own pod, you can do so here. There's a page for all of your transactions. They have a referral network, so if you want to earn from referring customers, you can do so here. You can check out the live transactions, and lastly, the FAQ, frequently asked questions. So all of this is available for you guys. If you do have any additional questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I, for one, feel like the ZKP blockchain is a breath of fresh air and seems like a really cool start to 2026. As always, though, please keep in mind that this video is not intended to be financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and investing in any cryptocurrency or pre-sales always can be considered risky, so please do your own research. Now, with that being said, that about wraps it up for this overview of ZKP. So I do hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time.